In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Spotify password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save a strong new password with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Spotify.com. Type the address directly into the address bar to make sure you're on the official site. Once the page loads, look for the option to log in. Sign in using the email and password currently associated with your account. If you're already signed in, you're all set to move forward. If not, enter your credentials carefully to avoid typos. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. This might appear as a small circle with an image or an initial. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Account. This takes you to your account overview, where you can manage your settings. On your account page, locate the section labeled Security and Privacy. It's typically in the main menu or sidebar. Click into that section, then select Change Password. This is where you'll make the update. You'll see three fields: your current password, your new password, and a confirmation field to retype the new password. Start by entering your current password exactly as you use it to sign in. Next, type your new password, then type it again in the confirmation box to make sure there are no mistakes. For a strong password, aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess, like simple sequences or personal details. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it generate and store a unique password for you. When you're confident everything is correct, click Set New Password to save your changes. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a confirmation message indicating the update was successful. If something doesn't look right, double-check for typos or mismatched entries in the confirmation field. From now on, you'll use your new password to sign in across all your devices. If you use multiple browsers or devices, consider updating any saved logins so you don't run into old, cached credentials. And as a good security habit, keep your password private, store it securely, and avoid reusing it on other services. That's it. Quick, secure, and done. If you found this helpful, take a moment to review your other account settings while you're here, and keep your information up to date. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your listening.